In this class, let us learn a purely capacitive circuit. Consider a capacitor connected to an AC voltage. AC voltage is given by V is equal to Vm sin omega t, where Vm is the voltage amplitude and omega t is the phase value. This voltage appears as the voltage across the capacitor, so V is equal to Vc. But voltage across a capacitor is given by Q by C. Therefore, charge Q is given by Cv, which is equal to Cvm sin omega t. Let us find the current through the circuit. Current at any instant is given by dq by dt. Let us substitute for charge q d by dt of Cvm sin omega t. C and Vm are constants and d by dt of sin omega t is omega into cos omega t. Therefore, instantaneous current I is equal to Cvm cos omega t into omega. That is equal to Vm into C omega cos omega t. Vm into C omega is the current amplitude, Im. Therefore, I is equal to Im cos omega t. But cos theta is sin 90 plus theta. Therefore, we can write I is equal to Im sin omega t plus pi by 2. Comparing this equation with the equation of the voltage, the phase value of the current is omega t plus pi by 2, while the phase value of the voltage is omega t. So we can conclude current leads the voltage by pi by 2, or voltage lags the current by pi by 2 in phase. So let us draw the phasor diagram. For voltage, the phase value is omega t. It is represented by OA. Current leads the voltage by pi by 2. So current phasor is represented by OB. Now let us find the power dissipated in a purely capacitive circuit. Instantaneous power P is equal to Vi, which is equal to Vm sin omega t into Im cos omega t, or Vm Im sin omega t cos omega t. Sin omega t cos omega t is sin 2 omega t by 2. But the average power P bar is equal to Vm Im by 2 into average value of sin 2 omega t. Average value of sin 2 theta is 0. So the average power dissipated is 0. Average power dissipated in a purely capacitive circuit is 0. Now let us see the graphical representation of voltage, current and power. Voltage varies as a sine curve, while current varies as a cos curve. Current leads the voltage by pi by 2. But for the power, the frequency is 2 omega, double that of voltage and current. So when voltage completes one cycle, power completes 2 cycles. The positive half cycle corresponds to the charging of the capacitor and the negative half cycle corresponds to the discharging of capacitor. Thank you.